wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today I am doing a video on my oral hygiene routine. You know, gotta keep it fresh, especially nowadays under the mask. Gotta be smelly. See, that's why some people don't want to be wearing masks. Gotta smell you. I'm just playing. I'm not, but I'm just playing. But you know, just a video on how I, you know, try my best to keep my oral hygiene good in between like dentist visits and stuff like that, and also how I whiten my teeth. You know, nice little white smile. So if you guys want to see all of that, then let's go. So of course the first thing is brushing your teeth. So this is my toothbrush. It's from Oral-B. It's one of those electronic, like automatic toothbrushes. 90% of the time I end up just moving my hands myself anyway. And then the toothpaste is from Arm & Hammer. It is their Peroxy Care Deep Clean. I think they have a whitening, I'm assuming they have a whitening version of this one, but I just like the deep clean because I feel like it gives me an actual deep clean when brushing my teeth. Now I know some people just use their toothbrush to do it, which get it however you want to, but I recommend an actual like tongue scraper to scrape your tongue, because like that's where like all the hot breath just be living on your tongue, right? So you gotta scrape it off. So I have this metal one right here, and I feel like I like this one more compared to, you know, like plastic tongue scrapers, because I don't know, like you can almost like feel or see what you're scraping off, right? I mean, that's kind of gross. I don't know how much of that I'll leave in the video, but it's pretty, you know, like self-explanatory. Just you know. Ooh, regroup. Okay, how do you talk and do that at the same time? You know, you just get your little Again, a little gross, at least to me, to do and watch, but y'all get the point. Just scrape your tongue off. Next is teeth whitening. Y'all know I've tried several. I do still recommend the crest strips type things, but there's a YouTuber, her name is McKenna Walker. She put me on to this little teeth whitening thing that you can get from Amazon. Like, I like it the most out of all the teeth whitening things that I've tried before. What is it called? It is... Yes, it is. So it is the Vi Beauty Teeth Whitening Gel. So you'll get little tubes like this that have the whitening gel in them. There's the mouthpiece, and then inside here is the actual, you know, like, what do you call this? Light thingy that's supposed to whiten it. Okay, so attach the mouthpiece on. Ooh, too early. And then take the teeth whitener and you apply it on the mouth guard, top and bottom. And then you just Now something that also comes with this kit, couldn't find, is a blue vial that looks like this, but that is meant to put on the mouthpiece after you're done to help if your teeth get sensitive from the teeth whitening. I don't have it because the only one it comes in there. I don't remember how many of the tubes come in here, but only one of those comes in there, and I've already gone through that, but my teeth haven't become sensitive since using this, so I figure I'm okay. Of course, after that is flossing. Yep. I really am just like stocked up when it comes to oral care. Got extra toothbrushes, toothpaste, more toothpaste, but this is because of my mother. But I was gonna say, of course, flossing. So these are the Dentech Triple Clean Floss Picks. Good for at home and good for, you know, like throwing in the bag, something like that, so you can floss or pick things out of your teeth as you go. And of course, just floss. And the last thing I use is a mouthwash. The one I use is also a whitener. It's the Crest 3D White Multi-Care Whitening Mouthwash. And you know, just look up. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my oral hygiene, teeth whitening routine. Of course, everything I use will be linked in the description down below. I feel like that's a really simple process. If anything, the teeth whitening is what takes the most time. I don't know if I mentioned that, but the actual device turns off by itself, so you know when it's done. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, other than that, just to help with like keeping it white. I don't drink like dark things unless I'm drinking it through a straw. Simple little things. But yeah, let me know if there's anything else that you do in your routine in the comments down below. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.